Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix brand partnerships with CJ Affiliate step by step clearly. Start by assessing the current status of your brand partnerships with CJ Affiliate. Identify the specific issues you're facing with these partnerships. Review your current partnerships to understand performance metrics and engagement levels. Reach out to your CJ Affiliate account representative for guidance on resolving partnership issues. Discuss your concerns openly and ask for their recommendations. Gather relevant data and analytics from your current partnerships to present during your discussions. Evaluate the contract terms of each partnership to identify any points of contention. Consider renegotiating terms that may be unfavorable or misaligned with your brand goals. Create a strategy for enhancing communication with your partners going forward. Implement regular check-ins with your partners to maintain a healthy relationship. Develop clear goals and expectations for each partnership moving forward. Utilize the reporting tools provided by CJ Affiliate to monitor performance consistently. Adjust your marketing strategies based on performance insights and partner feedback. Stay proactive in managing partnerships by being open to changes and improvements. Engage with your audience to understand their preferences and needs. Use this feedback to guide your partnership adjustments and selections. Document all changes and communications for future reference. Continue to educate yourself on industry trends and best practices in affiliate marketing. Seek feedback regularly from your partners to ensure satisfaction and effectiveness. Monitor the results of your adjustments and be prepared to iterate as necessary. Celebrate your successes and learn from any setbacks as you refine your partnerships. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.